Welcome back. Well, there has been a slowdown in the housing market, as we know. Take a look at this Case-Shiller index. Rising interest rates taking a toll on the broader market. Prices and sales going down. Joining us now for an exclusive interview is Realtor.com CEO Ryan O'Hara. Ryan, good to see you this morning. Can you characterize where we are in the housing market right now?
Yeah, good morning, Maria. Nice to see you.
You too.
It's a tale of two cities, really, and two parts of the country are really shifting. If you look at the coast, particularly California, some parts of the East Coast, there is a slowdown. There's more inventory coming, and we'll see some price pressure. However, in a lot of markets where job growth is up and wages are up, you're actually seeing some price appreciation and some inventory that's hitting a really healthy market.
So it's a bifurcated market then. Where are prices coming down the hardest?
You're seeing inventory really hit into California, so the markets where we see prices under pressure over time are places like San Diego, San Jose, San Francisco, Seattle. And areas that we think are going to grow in pricing because the economies are healthy are the smaller cities, Indianapolis, Milwaukee, Phoenix, even Miami.
Ryan, it's Brian Brunberg here. If we see a slowdown in rate increases into next year, which it looks like we're going to see, do you see that maybe bringing back the housing market a little bit? Could this firm up, or could you even see a change in direction from what we have seen?
I think you're right. If interest rates slow, there will be a twist back to the market. You've seen home flippers, for example, move out of the market. A home flipper tries to get in at a good price, adds value to the home, and then sells later at a higher price. I think people that are on the fringe have been staying back because interest rates are risky and they're not sure where they're going to end up, and they don't know what the buying side is going to be like a year from now. If interest rates stabilize or there's less increases, I think it brings back housing in a lot of markets.
What had it's Dagen McDowell, the changes to the tax treatment of real estate, the cap on your property tax deduction, the reduction in your mortgage interest rate deduction, has that changed psychology in this country to the negative in terms of home ownership?
The cap's really going to hit higher income and higher priced homes, and I think people will feel that next April when they do their taxes for the first time. So you'll really know about a year from now. I do think that's going to hit the high end of the market. It's a definite change. It makes housing more expensive at the high end, but for the majority of Americans, it won't have a major impact.
Brian, James Freeman here at the Wall Street Journal. I'm wondering if you can help people understand, because we read about a lack of inventory, which you would normally think means higher prices, and yet we just saw that chart showing the Case-Shiller growth dropping.
Yeah, it's really, every market's very different in real estate, so it matters where you are. For a while, inventory's been restrained. The housing starts were slow. Coming out of the recession, a lot of home builders were taking their time, were much more conservative than in the past. You have seen that tick up. Next year, we see about a 7% increase in housing starts. Now, those will flow into the market in 2020, but you're starting to see the home building market come back a bit.
You just said that this cap that people are going to feel once they do their taxes in April is going to hit the high end. How significant will we see prices drop on the high end, in your view, next year?
Well, I think in places that have really high home prices, New York City or certain parts of California, I think the price of housing will go up. However, people that have a diversified portfolio, they're obviously going to own a home, and a home brings more than just the appreciation in value. It's a place for your family, for your community. It has a lot of fabric benefits to your life. So I think for people, people need to live in a nice home, and they're going to continue to live in a nice home. They're not going to get out of the market. So it will make it more expensive, but the higher end people that can afford it will stay in those homes.
All right, Ryan, good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. Ryan O'Hara there.